Hi everyone, my name is Meera. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time coming to my channel, don't forget to subscribe as I make lots of videos regarding studying, working and living in the UK. I work and live in the UK, and recently I decided to shift my house because I found a much better place, and I'm making this video today to show you all the process of actually moving out and moving into a new apartment in the UK. And this video will be helpful for the people who rent apartments in the UK or are looking to move from a student accommodation to a rented house in the UK. I've already made a video on the process and what are the steps and things you need to do when you want to move a house in the UK. So basically, this is the condition of my room and my stuff right now. It's an absolute mess because I've been packing everything up and I've gotten these carton boxes from some stores near my house so that it can help me to pack and wrap up my stuff for shifting. Today is my moving out and moving in day. I have lots of stuff and my room is an absolute mess. Right now, a van is coming to pick all of my stuff, so I need to take all of these things downstairs because I live on the first floor, and the van services only from the ground floor to the ground floor of the new house. So I need to actually take these things and put them downstairs one by one, and then the van will come, take all the stuff and deliver it in my new house. And let's see how today's day goes. It looks like it's going to be really hectic. I had lots of packing to do and I've barely had any sleep. But I'm hoping that this will all be done really fast. I basically live on the first floor, so I had to bring all of my stuff downstairs, and this was a huge task and definitely really hectic. I had to go up and down many times to get my stuff, and I basically called a van service who was going to pick these things from the ground floor and deliver it to my new house. So now I've finally reached the place where my new apartment is, and I've got out of the bus and my van must be reaching anytime soon. So I need to actually search the keys for this apartment, find the place and let the van in. I took a quick tour of my room, checked all the things, made sure everything is fine. I would suggest everyone moving into new apartments to do this. Just open all the cupboards, cabinets, see if the lights work. Make sure everything is good before you actually move into the place, so that if something is wrong, you can just immediately inform the agent or landlord and they would know it's not your fault, and it's always been like that from the time you've moved in. I see that everything's working, all the lights, there's water in the taps, and everything seems good to me. So today is day 2, and I've come back to my old house because I wasn't able to clean up everything over here yesterday, and I need to clean up this room very properly if I want to get my deposit back. And my landlord has almost £900 in deposit, so I need to actually clean up this entire room, throw out any garbage and take pictures of this room as proof that I've cleaned everything. And that's what I would suggest everyone to do who's living in UK, who's living on rent, because if you leave any small part of the room that's bad or messy, then your agent or landlord will cut money from your deposit for sure. So please just make sure when you're switching homes, you clean up everything very properly. Probably take a video or photos of the place just as proof to show how it was when you left the apartment. So that's what we are going to do over here today. And then I actually have to take the keys and return it back to the landlord. So that's what we're going to do. So anytime you move your house in the UK, you have to make sure that you have cleaned the apartment completely. I did all of the vacuuming, dusting and everything possible to clean this room. That's the only way you would get your deposit back. And it took quite some time and it was tiring, but this is a very important step if you wish to get your entire deposit back. I would also suggest you to take a video and few pictures of your room once you are leaving it, so that you can share these with the agent and landlord and let them know that you have left the property in this particular condition, you have cleaned up everything, there's no mess or rubbish behind. Taking a video of the place helps you to kind of protect yourself in case something does go wrong with the room after you've left. So I'm finally done with moving over my apartment and all of my things, and I'm really happy in my new place. I've left the old apartment. I've also given back the keys to the agent, and I'm currently waiting on them to do a check of the place so that they can give me my deposit back. And this was a really hectic time to do all of the shift, but I'm sure that everyone who changes their house in the UK knows exactly how this feels. So if any of you are planning to shift your house, comment down and let me know if there's anything I can do to help you. If you want to know how to take things from one place to the other, the rates of movers and packers, and so on. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and again, don't forget to subscribe as I make lots of other informational videos which might be helpful to you.